What's up, everybody? Welcome back to MLL California House Tour. Today, we're going to be touring 222 Via Koron, Newport Beach. This gorgeous property, priced at $4,750,000, features 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3,653 square feet of living space, and it's just an outstanding property. I hope you really enjoy this tour. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment on the section below. Enjoy the tour. Welcome to 222 Via Koron. This gorgeous property features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 3,653 square feet of living space. It is priced at $4,750,000, and it is located in Lido Isle, one of the most exclusive community of Newport Beach in Orange County, California. Special thanks to the listing agents, Pat Mastropaolo and Joanna Felix, for the chance to film this spectacular home. Only steps from the bay and the Lido Isle boardwalk, you'll find everything on your wish list in this sophisticated space nestled in one of the Newport's Bay most desirable enclaves. Light, bright floor plan is built for entertaining and maximum convenience, offering upscale design features including vaulted wood beam ceilings, custom French white oak flooring in a herringbone pattern, and an upgraded fixture and finishes. The open kitchen is a fabulous space with expansive cedar center island, plus butler's pantry and formal dining room. One of the bedrooms is a beautiful owner suite that adjoins a spectacular rooftop deck with outdoor fireplace and features spa-like ensuite with freestanding tub. The community features several amenities including Lido Isle Yacht Club, tennis courts, bayfront parks, playground, clubhouse, and private beaches.